Rich Zaki in the building. Dukaanka oo lagu gado kaamirooyinka joognaa. So saaxiibkii cameramanka boy waaye. xaggana waxaa joogo Fahim Love. So watch this shit, okay?
Put the remote control on your wrist, and then while you're video recording, you can actually see what it's recording, so you don't have to use your phone. And then on that, you can actually pause it and play it, stop it, all just on the remote. And what they're saying is one live action kit.
Hey guys, camera duwatana waa camera caadi ah qataa waa camera waterproof ah biyaado ku dhex jirtay cameradaas macnaa wax duubi kartaa biyaha ka dhex arkaysa remote ay leedahay saacad aad gacanta kugu xiran wax kasta ka dhex arki kartay gaariya daawadi baaskiila daawati mooto daawati oo ku xiraysa. Okay guys, marka cameradan waatana had gacanta lagu hayo.
It's gonna be more like a stationary thing, then I mean that's okay. Either one would work just fine. But this one definitely has a better stabilized design.
Yeah, usually goes outside.
Outside.
See experience, things like that.
I would probably recommend the Sony as well. Either one you go for would be perfect, but I do like the Sony stabilization feature better. Other than that, quality differences. So if you're looking for something that can do 4K or something that has higher resolution, I would definitely say they do have it available, but the GoPro has other options to choose from as well. So if you decide you want to do something that's a little, let's say, cheaper, that still supports 4K, this one right here will not do 4K video. To be honest, to really experience 4K, you probably want to have, let's say, a television or something that can display in 4K. It's a great feature, but if you want really crisp, very good quality, I would still recommend 1080p, which all of them will do. And this one will still do 120 frames a second to make it look extremely smooth.
So which one is the best, that and the GoPro and this one?
Personally, I like the Sony better. That's just my opinion. Now, as far as why, again, it's because of the stabilized design. I like the stabilization on the case, but then also has an extremely good anti-vibration stabilization design to it as well for the optical.
The way you explain it, this one will be so easy since I have the remote. I can control always and continue.
And that's the thing.
Because I don't want to record and then go to my app, pause it, while, you know what I mean?
Yes. And the thing is, you have to have Wi-Fi or some cellular service.
Oh, Wi-Fi?
Yeah. So the thing is, the only way to
you
connect
can't record it without Wi-Fi?
I don't believe so. So the thing is, the system itself. I mean, you don't have to have just Wi-Fi. You have to have some form of cellular coverage or internet accessibility. But I'll have to double check just to be sure. Actually, never mind. It has Bluetooth on it, so if you use Bluetooth, that's all you need. The older ones, I think GoPros, I'd say GoPro 2s and GoPro 3s had to use Wi-Fi. This still has Wi-Fi enabled on there, so you can still link it up that way. But Bluetooth, when you're outside, with no Wi-Fi and no cellular coverage, it's going to be the much better option to do. Same concept goes with the Sony.
At least better that one.
That one still, you have a wrist mount. You can actually, while you're, let's say, biking, you can always take a peek and see if the camera's adjusted properly, what it's recording. It has a very slow delay.
This one, you see on your phone, you check it out.
Yes.
We don't have, and it's gonna drain my battery once I put a Bluetooth on.
Exactly, because you're constantly keeping it linked.
Yeah, running back and forth.
And the thing is with those guys, yes, there's a little bit of a delay to it while you're recording, but that doesn't mean what you're recording is going to actually look like that. It's just because you're transferring what's being processed.
أخرته Rich Zaki maanta dukaanka joognaa oo kaamirooyinka waxaa u baahanaa nalal fiican iyo kaamirooyin fiican soo meeshan kaamarooyinka waxaan rabnaa kaamara cajib oo videogeena qatar kusoo saarayso so cameramankeena nala socdo oo wax kastana ka jeegareynayo all the best guys Rich Zaki shanta Soomaaliyeed all you guys be have to touch it like